My pleco is trolling the new fish by just floating lifeless on the surface. He's actually alive. That's just something plecos do for fun. Float on the surface. They're kinda silly. Like that. What do you think about it? Huh? These two are confused by it. He's over there in the corner. I'm just happy I got a troll pleco. They're the best kind. You can have fun with them. The filter is sideways because it's really loud if it's against the glass. Bubbles come out of that thing's mouth. What do you think, buddy? Hello, friend. Dahyun loves the CCP.